Welcome back to Nature's Fix. Today we're unlocking the real secret to thriving plants, living soil. Forget the chemical quick fixes. The true power is right beneath your feet. Healthy soil isn't about dumping more fertilizer, it's about balance and patience. Overfeeding and guesswork often do more harm than good. Instead, we'll explore 15 of the most powerful natural fertilizers. Some are old favorites, others may surprise you. At the end, I'll show you how to blend them into an all-purpose mix with a clear NPK estimate. Ready to transform your garden from the ground up? Let's dig in. First up, the classic, well-rotted cow manure. It's a gentle, slow-release feed that improves soil structure and encourages earthworms. Cow manure doesn't just feed plants, it builds long-term soil health. Use it as a base amendment for steady, reliable fertility. It's the foundation of a thriving organic garden. Vermicompost, worm castings, are nature's black gold. Packed with nutrients and beneficial microbes, it's safe for all plants and impossible to overdo. Use it for seedlings, top dressing, or mixing into planting holes. It boosts soil aeration and water retention. Vermicompost is the ultimate all-purpose plant food. Need a fast nitrogen boost? Blood meal is your answer. With an NPK of 1200, it's pure nitrogen, perfect for leafy greens or a quick recovery. But caution, a teaspoon is plenty. Too much burns roots and stunts flowering. Use it only when you see clear nitrogen deficiency. Sprinkle lightly, water in, and watch for rapid green up. Blood meal is a specialist. Use sparingly. It's your garden's rocket fuel, not a daily driver. Fish meal is a balanced, restorative feed, rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and trace minerals. It's ideal for heavy feeders like tomatoes and corn, especially early in the season. Fish meal nourishes both plants and soil microbes. The smell is strong, but the results are worth it. Use it to revive tired, stunted plants. Chicken manure is potent, high in nitrogen, great for leafy greens and lawns. Always compost it well. Fresh manure burns roots. Use less than you would cow manure. A little goes a long way. When aged, it's a powerhouse for green growth. Handle with care for best results. Respect its strength. Bone meal is your go-to for phosphorus, essential for roots, flowers, and fruit. It's a slow-release powder, perfect for bulbs, perennials, and fruit trees. Add a tablespoon to planting holes for strong root development. It's a long-term investment in your garden's future. One application feeds for months. For a vegan, ultra-slow phosphorus source, use rock phosphate. It's a mineral rock dust, 0 nitrogen, 20% phosphorus. It breaks down over years, building lasting soil fertility. Ideal for correcting deep phosphorus deficiencies. Work it in before planting for multi-year benefits. Seaweed is a micronutrient powerhouse, over 60 trace elements and natural growth hormones. It's a tonic, not a heavy fertilizer, but it solves mysterious deficiencies. Use it as a liquid feed for yellowing or stressed plants. Seaweed boosts vigor, resilience, and flowering. It's a multivitamin for your garden, perfect for container plants and citrus. Humic and fulvic acids are biostimulants, not fertilizers. They unlock nutrients in your soil, making everything work better. Add as a liquid or powder to boost nutrient uptake and soil health. They improve structure, water retention, and microbial life. Think of them as your soil's efficiency experts. Sometimes plants need tiny amounts of trace elements, iron, zinc, boron, and more. A general micronutrient mix covers all bases, especially in containers. Use once or twice a season to prevent hidden deficiencies. It's the finishing touch for peak plant health. Just a sprinkle can make all the difference. Neem cake is a dual-action wonder, fertilizer and natural pest repellent. It provides balanced nutrition and protects roots from pests and diseases. Mix into soil or brew as a tea for added benefits. Neem cake is gentle, steady, and keeps your garden healthy. It's especially useful in organic and pest-prone gardens. Feed and protect in one step. Mustard cake is a traditional favorite for flowering plants. Rich in nitrogen and phosphorus, it fuels vibrant blooms. Ferment in water, dilute, and feed every few weeks during flowering. Expect more flowers, bigger blooms, and intense colors. It's the secret to a dazzling floral display. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, vital for green leaves and photosynthesis. Dissolve a tablespoon in a gallon of water and drench yellowing plants, especially helpful for tomatoes, peppers, and roses. It's a supplement, not a complete fertilizer. Used to correct magnesium deficiency and boost lush growth. Soybean meal is a strong, plant-based, all-purpose fertilizer. High in nitrogen with useful phosphorus, it feeds steadily for months. Great for new beds, vegetables, and perennials. Won't burn plants, safe and sustainable. It's a clean, effective way to nourish your garden. There are more natural fertilizers for special needs. Alfalfa meal stimulates growth. Cottonseed meal is great for acid lovers. Azomite and green sand remineralize soil. Feather meal is high nitrogen. Each has a specific use. Choose based on your soil's needs. They're specialist tools for fine-tuning fertility. That's 15 natural ways to feed your soil and plants. The art of gardening is choosing the right tool for each need. Your soil and plants are always communicating. Yellow leaves, slow growth, lack of flowers. These are messages, not failures. By learning to use natural fertilizers, you're speaking your garden's language. In our next video, I'll show you how to test your soil and pick the perfect fertilizer. Let's take the guesswork out and grow a healthier, more beautiful garden. Your soil is talking. Let's listen.